Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I wanted to show you 3 of the sticker books that are coming out in the Fall Happy Planner collection that kind of have a modern feel to them. They're the Abstract Watercolor, Neutral Watercolor, and Hustle and Heart. So let's check them out. First, let's start with Hustle and Heart. This one is in navy and a really deep emerald green, which again is a color that we haven't seen as much, and so I think it's really pretty and fun. And I love the combo of the two together with the gold. So these again have some really pretty decorative, but lots and lots of function. So we've got meetings down the center with that pretty gold foil, more meetings, as well as just some really great decorative boxes as well. Work, get it done. Your potential is endless. You're doing amazing. And these again are some functional, and these as well. And these boxes have little splatters of color in them, so they're kind of makes it a little bit different and fun. All of the little words, goal achieved, nothing is impossible. Keep going, meeting, time to relax. So appointment, pretty much all the things, weekend fun, work, all in here. And I love that you've got tons of color options. Ooh, these are cool. So this almost looks like a glitter. Those are fun. So you've got boxes, and these are longer, so you can write more in them. I really like this size. And then we've got them in navy with kind of the gold. So it's abstract, so each one is going to be a little bit different. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm like, my mind is already thinking of different things I can mix these with. I'm like, ooh, I want to mix these with some, this sticker book or whatever, because they're so neutral. You can really go with anything. So black and that emerald green with some gold, and the pretty blues with the gold. Love those tones. And then we've got like washi strips in the blue and the green and the emerald color. Those are really pretty. And then we've got these that coordinate. They go on the monthly, but again, you can use them anywhere you want. And I really like the circles too. So now we've got more of these checklist boxes, and again, sprinkled on like a little drops of paint. These with the star are really fun too. I can't wait to see everybody use these. Okay, this weekend, this is cool because it's got like that little dash line. You could almost do like a Saturday and a Sunday. That's pretty fun. And these checklists are like, look like little diamonds because the square is like turned. That's fun too. And then we've got it in the navy. Oh wow, green foil with again the little sprinkles and stars. And this is, it's like a navy, but when you look at the foil and turn it, it almost turns a purple color. It's really pretty. And then we've got some gold, and this one is a softer gold, so it's not like that really, it's almost like a champagne gold, I would say. Take a break, read a book, time to relax, day off, go for a walk, and stretch a bit. And they look like they've got just like a smear of like gold on them. Keep going, you've got this. These are so neat. And then some more little paint. Computers, love those. Payday, gotta love payday. Oh, these are fun. I know a lot of times we see perfect circles, but these are really abstract and kind of loose. So those are fun, and they're like kind of like gold flecks on them. So these have quotes in them, so you could do amazing things. You are worth it all. That's fun. And then we've got the you got this and get it done. Important in our, it kind of just looks like a paint swatch with some glittery gold on it as well. Deadline meetings. These are really pretty and reminders. And then just some really pretty abstracts in those colors. Let's see what's next. Ooh, and then we've got the foil again. And depending on how you look at it, it almost turns like a purple color. And then the green foil with the pretty quotes as well. So that one is the Hustle and Heart. Next up is Abstract Watercolor, and this one goes along with the recovery line. For me, this one feels very much like wellness. There's a lot that anybody can use in this. So I think it's a great opportunity, and it has a lot of prompts and reminders as well. So it's super modern, and I love the colors in this one. It's more of the browns. It really lends itself to fall as well. So you've got quotes with gold, and look at these. So you've got your boxes that are open for you to write in. Look at that. You could put a sticker, you know, where like meeting could go right in between there. So pretty. You could even use it just as an edge on something. I love it. I love that space. And then we've got more quotes with the foil and just abstract like paint marks, and then a bunch of beautiful abstract watercolors with some gold, all like just navies and taupes. And then we've got the gold accents that you can layer with them. And then closer today than yesterday. You're one decision away from a totally different life. See, these are just beautiful. I love these boxes. You could use them across, like even on the bottom of a mini planner too. Mess before mastery. So true. I just think, yeah, don't be the same, be better. Beautiful washi strips and patterns. Oh, this looks like terrazzo tile. That's gorgeous. And then a matching little strip. And then these are, let's take a look. Oh, they're little like smiley faces in there. It's kind of hard to see. It's gold foil, so I'm going to kind of do that. But it's got like a smiley face, a neutral face, and then a sad face. And then we've got all of the different strips, like washi strips. There's that terrazzo tile look. Oh, this might be one of my favorites. Really fun size box, just different and overstated. I like it a lot. And these little breathe. Beautiful long boxes in those colors. Some gold ones as well. I'm a work in progress. Again, more fun shapes we haven't seen. So these are like just triangles, bright triangles, yeah? Love that. With their little quotes in them. I cannot wait to use this book. Look at the pretty checklists. And these are prompts that I think really can help anybody. When things are tough, what does it say? When things are tough, you want to remember. And list 2 of the triggers and ways you can deal with them. Like these are all important things for everybody to focus on. Appointments and focus on. List 3 things you do well. What made you happy today? So I think these are really good prompts to be grateful. Like, what are you thankful for today? What brings you peace and why? Oh, this is so pretty. So these are like, yeah, I just love the shapes. They're a little different from what we're used to seeing. It's not the same box or anything like that. You can change these up. And then we've got some gold boxes. We've got some of these. I love the tones and colors here. All very soft and soothing. Oh, I just think they're beautiful. And then our monthlies. Some more of those, just decorative monthly boxes. And then some of the bigger stickers, again, where you can write in here. I want to say this comes off. The clear part is also cut, so it comes off. You could actually use these as 2 separate stickers, because see how it's got a little thin border? You could actually use that piece. Okay. And then, ooh, a circle one. And then these are flags. It's hard to see here, so I'm going to kind of lift one up so you can get an idea. Actually, I'll just take the background off. We're going to get crazy. It's always hard to tell in these videos, like what, I want to save it though, but I'm just going to do it so you can see a little bit. So all of these are page flags. So when you lift up, they're all different page flags, and depending on where they are, they're going to have a different pattern. So they all coordinate, but I think it's so fun like that because they each are going to be unique and have a different look. All right, so we've got that. And then some abstract gold, and then some gold, just with different words, prompts. Love that. So that is the abstract watercolor. And then last we've got the neutral watercolor. So let's check this one out. This is for the big. I like to use them in any planner. I don't even care if it's big or what. I use these in my mini. I love the modern feel of these. I like the very simple lettering as well. Really pretty colors. Look at that. So you've got a bunch of decorative not decorative, but functional boxes. They're decorative because they're so pretty, but very functional and very soft pastel colors. I love these, the circle, and then the words kind of off to the side like that. Get it done. Today's the day. Remember this. You can even write inside or layer these as well. Nice big boxes to write in all of your to-dos. I love those. Today's the day. Again, you have lots of room to write, and you've got your washi strips and these soft neutral watercolors. Look at these boxes. These are so fun. They're just like, I mean, you could write in them. You could use them as, decoration or layering. Look at the colors. I just think they're very functional. This one looks like gesso paint. I'm trying to see. Oh, okay. These are really cool. Look, they're like half circles. It's so hard to see in a video, but see how it's, so those are half circles. What else do we have on this page? Half circle. Yeah. So those are half circles, and these are kind of like ovals, if you can see. But again, they're going to each have a different look. They look like these, half circles, but look how pretty. And then our boxes. I love the little notch on them. Yep, and then today's focus, dream big, and these are all, there's circles. Yeah, they're all circles. So just to give you an idea. Actually, yeah, they're circles. First I thought they were ovals, but yeah, they're circles. I'm gonna have to pull the backing off, but I might need it for something like you could cut a shape or something. I don't know. I feel like I could use it. I know. Am I going to? Probably not, but I think I need it, so I have to save it. Alrighty, and then I love these very modern, like appointment and reminders. Remember, quote, this weekend, the to-do, all of the important functional stickers. And then we've got some fun boxes, and these have some fun shapes as well. Look at that one. That's really cool. We've got more here. And again, these are designed for the big, but you could use them any way you want. I love this large, I mean, it takes about half the sticker book. Large sticker, that's gorgeous. All these, let your ideas bloom. We rise by being kind. Oh, so pretty. And these all have like a copper foil. Alrighty, so that is the neutral watercolor. They all have kind of a different look, but they're all super functional as well as beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And I would love it if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get future notifications from me.